excited for Carnival. We did the main choice Carnival Caravana weekend, and it was so much freaking fun. And the fun shall continue because we're in Antigua to experience not the full Carnival, because we came like the day before Monday Mass, but that's okay because we're right in the action and we're just super excited for the whole experience. So now we're just waiting to go to the hotel, freshen up. We're gonna do a beach lime and then get ready for Party Monarch, and your girl is ready. Everything's safe.
How you feeling?
Good. Hot though.
Hey, listen.
Hot. It was good. We made it to Antigua and Barbuda for Carnival. It is Sunday. Before we head to Party Monarch in a couple of hours, I just wanted to show you guys our room. We're staying at Hawk Bills Resort. This is where we're gonna be at for the next 3-4 days. So should we start from outside? Yeah, okay. As soon as we come, like we walk through here from the lobby, we are on the beach, and then we have our cottage style room. We have this wooden bed frame thingamajig, love that. And then we have the bed. We have some towels. You know how they set up the towel to look like different things on the bed, but we move those because I use a towel. So we have the bed right there. We have a table and a chair. We have this little bench here. I guess it's multi-purpose. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And then I believe this is the mini bar. Right? It has a fridge in there and a drawer. We have a closet, a dresser, and the room is a pretty decent size. Like, look at the size of this room. And then we have the bathroom over here, which is huge. So we have a double sink, his and her sink with a nice mirror, and I love the overhead light because, you know, when I'm ready to do my makeup, we need the light. We have a commode over there and the, what do they call it? The booty washer? You know that special bidet? Yes, that's what it is, a bidet. Bidet, booty washer. Bidet, booty. No, okay, you know. And we got the toilet over here, the shower, a decent sized shower, and you also have a bathtub. So that is it for the room tour. The hotel looks real nice. I think you said it's a 3-star hotel, but honestly, I'm gonna give it a 4.2 and above because so far the accommodation is really, really nice. So yeah, we're gonna head to a beach lime real quick to meet up with everyone else on the trip, get some food, and then we'll come back, get ready to go to Party Monarch. We are here at Party Monarch. is 4 a.m. in the morning and I am up so awake. Why am I looking so awake right now? It is insane. So we're headed to Juve in our caution outfit. So I'm wearing this bathing suit underneath my t-shirt that I cut across. I'm wearing this cute little hat. Like, it said Juve, and usually people don't be made up like this on Juve, but it's me. And I just slept in my makeup for 2 hours because we came back from party Monarch like after 1. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna sleep in the makeup since I already got it on, and I'm gonna just look cute with paint and water and call it a day. Okay, so I got these shorts from a store called, what's the store name, Simi?
Lavia.
Lavia. So if you're in Antigua and you need last minute swimwear,
last minute, if you need
anything like swimwear, anything like that, they stayed open for us. It was a Sunday and they stayed open until 7:30 for us to come and get some shorts because we didn't have any. So shout out to them. If you need anything, go over there, get you some things, okay? Because I got this cute little hat with it and it's a vibe. So we're gonna head out and we're ready for party with caution. Hey, Juve morning.
Big Juve man, you know. And this is why we live far.
Who is we?
Well,
I'm new to this.
when I say we, I mean me. Other way 365 days for this.
We got sugar cane and Johnny cake and cheese. Look okay, nice too. My face is so dry. Like, I literally scrubbed my skin for a good 30 minutes after that Juve. I'ma still leave me. Simba wants to say something so bad. I can't even show him because he's like lying in the bed, just not moving. How you doing?
I'm just waiting for you to get ready so we can go, bro.
Yeah, get ready to go is crazy. Why am I energized off 2.5 hours sleep? And we need to get ready to go to the next event in the next less than an hour. So I'm gonna do my makeup real fast. I need to show you guys my wings real fast before tomorrow. So I'm playing mass with Miss Carnival and my wings stunning. Look how big these are, and I feel heavy already. They feel so heavy, but they're so big, and the colors are just absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if my shoes that I got from Amazon matches. Perfect. Perfection. See me, look at that. Perfection. Oh my god, like, I'm excited. So like I said, just came from Juve. Amazing. Honestly, I'm not really a Juve type of girl, but Antigua with Project Sync Caution.
Best Juve ever.
10 out of 10 experience coming from a non-Juve.
Hey,
okay? Coming from me, from a Jamaican.
Juve for so long with soca music and
All day, my Juve from, well, it wasn't from the very start. We never go for breakfast, but for that year from 4 to 9 in the morning, amazing experience. 10 out of 10 experience. Okay, I gotta think about that. I gotta think about it all the time. So anyway, so I'm wash off the paint and everything, so my skin look hella dry and I am burnt up. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and hope for the best that I don't look like a scarecrow on the road. I wanna show you quick what I got in my bag. So this is my Miss Carnival bag, and this is my top piece. And I love that all the bejewels is already like on there. This is a medium-sized bra, so the city them are gonna look real nice. And this is my Monday wear that I'm gonna be wearing today. And I bought these shoes, and I think they're the perfect-ish, well, not super perfect, but perfect enough, close enough neon green. I'm gonna wear it. So I'm trying to decide if I want to wear this neon green stocking or if it's gonna be too much neon colors, but we're gonna see. This is my bottoms. I ordered them too large. I can't even try it out right now, but I just want to see what I got. Thigh pieces. What is this? I don't know what that is. Ooh, they gave glitter and rhinestones as well. This is a headpiece. I got some under eye patches. I don't know what this is. I got the Antigua flag, of course. I'm gonna tie it with my Jamaican flag. Ooh, these shades are cute. Wearing this. That was cute.
It
is hot.
Waiting to turn the corner. We waiting to turn the corner. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. No relationship. The kind of thing that make a man a balance.
Tuesday mass. We are ready for Antigua Carnival. Look at my costume. I don't know how I have the energy right now for these last couple of days, but I'm ready. I'm ready. The costume ready, me ready, the face ready, everything ready.
Welcome to This is Miss Carnival. Check time.
I watch all your travel vlogs. Yes? Okay, thank you.
I love it here. Everything
just left the hotel. It is 11:50 right now. We're about to leave Antigua to head to, I don't know, y'all gonna have to wait. Who put that? Wait in there?
Should be.
But I think we need another one. This has been one of the, if not the, damn, it's hard to say that as a Jamaican.
New Gen Band. Sweet new
No,
Gen
you know what's stuck in my head? Top of the 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 morning.
Hey, why was I sleeping this morning and Chev, in her sleep, started singing top of the 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 morning. I look wrong like ain't no way she sleep talking this song right now.
If anything, I leave Antigua with is Party Monarch song. Top of the morning, new gen band, sweet new gen band. But anyways, Antigua. Antigua, thank you so much. It was amazing meeting so many of you. The love they want to show, and it wasn't like, no, it was a type of love where it was like, yo, we're friends, we're family, and it made me feel so welcome here. This is my second time in Antigua, but first I'm getting to interact because the last time I was here was on vacation and nobody knew I was here until I was gone. But y'all knew I was coming this time. I mean, I'll come back next year. No ifs, buts, or maybes. I'll come back next year. And of course, so I can play with Miss Carnival. So if you're play next year, or if you're planning to come to Antigua Carnival next year, send me a DM and I'll tell you how to arrange your trip. Or if you want like a one-on-one, let me tell you how to arrange your trip, how to play with Miss Carnival and all that good stuff.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a damn, she a cutie. I tell her, come
Anguilla, I'm inside you.
money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call.
I didn't even give you a proper introduction to us coming to Anguilla because honestly so far Anguilla has been a rest trip. It has been a sleeping trip because we've been needing it. It has been a rest for my face because the amount of makeup I've been wearing and the way Anguilla hot. Yeah, just a quick rundown of what's been happening. We went to a party earlier this morning. So we came to Anguilla like 4-ish o'clock yesterday, and we didn't really do anything. We just go get food and we'll get a rental, and yeah, that was pretty much it. We went to bed, and this morning we woke up like at 7, went to this party called Eyes Wide Shut, but honestly there wasn't anything to vlog with that party, so there was no vlog because we literally went there for like an hour and a half and we were like, yeah, we're leaving. It was too hot. It was just not giving enough of what, you know, so early in the morning for a party. No, too hot and the rain start fall. We couldn't get no drinks. All of them never have no ice. Like, yeah, whatever. So yeah, we've been chilling all day. Get some more rest. I did some editing, posted some content for Antigua. So check that out on my Instagram if you haven't already. So right now we're at another beach party, trying to find parking. Cause who knew so much cars was on a small island? Y'all don't carpool over here? They don't carpool here, babe? Nope. Cause yeah, like there's a lot of cars for a small island. Okay, so we're going to this beach party and I just like myself. No makeup now wear unless absolutely necessary. This is not absolutely necessary. moment. Like, I going up pretty, show a clean face on, so right. And plus my hair, I didn't burn the ends to lock them in, but you just tied knots at the braids, and some of them unravel. So my hair is having a moment because I also use conditioner on it, and I should have just left it as is because it kind of matted and I don't feel like detangling. So yeah, anyways, that's the rundown. We're gonna head into this party, see what I'll go on. The party's that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch this. Hey Nina.
Oh my god.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Chev, Nina.
Hi.
Nina,
Nice
my
to meet
fiance.
Nice
Chev.
to meet you.
How you doing? You can't see you, see me.
Yeah. What? Are you guys arriving?
Yeah, we just pulling up.
You had eyes wide shut. Had a nap.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna head into this party and see the vibe.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chance. It's hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chance. Hotter in the summer. Front of your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that. Don't really love you like that. From the land of snakes, trying to be a great. Trusting everybody that I love, that was my mistake.
One more over here, Roxy.
Went from wearing Chuck Taylor to Balenciaga. Sweaty think I'm rubbing on the genie bottle. Giving nada, saying nada, I'm just pushing product. I made my waves in the winter, now my summer hotter. Better catch up. Move too swift for all the lame shit. You asking for a favor, how I know we ain't the same, bitch. Watch how I in and out lane switch. They trying to earn cheese off a K, but they ain't Swiss.